Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Here we go then. It is the first prize draw of the day. It's the top commenter of the week prize draw. 3 amazing prizes are going to be given away. I have had to cut the leaderboard down a little bit, but don't worry, all of your names will still be going into the bowl as I am in a little bit of a rush to head over and get myself to my mum's house, trying to get that ready for when she will hopefully be out over the next couple of days. If you haven't seen the previous video when I say get out, she's not been in jail. Don't worry, she's in hospital. She is fine. And like I say, hopefully she'll be out of hospital in the next couple of days. So here we go then, the top commenter of the week leaderboard, Wally Robson and Dennis Fitzpatrick for the first time then getting himself that top commenter of the week crown. So both of you there picking up 1 dinosaur coin each, but we do need to get 1 name from the lucky bowl as well. If you haven't played along before, everyone in this bowl has managed to score at least 1 point in the top commenter this week. I do understand that it is super difficult now to score those points. It is so competitive. That's why I am trying to get as many bonus points videos up there for you guys at home as possible. So from the bowl today, the winner of the Roseline Franklin 50p coin is Ridwan A. A huge shout out to you. I have seen you competing in all of these recently, all of the giveaways. I am so happy for you there to pick up that prize. So again, the 3 winners today, we've got Dennis Fitzpatrick, Wally Robson and Ridwan A. There will be a video coming up straight after this one for the Mayflower giveaway entry. Definitely do get entering in that, and you will have until just after 8 PM this evening to get your entries in, and I'll do that prize draw as soon as I get home. Stay safe guys, well done again to the first 3 winners of the day, and as always, thanks for watching.